welcome to our next episode of Box TV. Now this episode is Blue Balls and how you get it. Now recently we have Mr. Expect It Real Quick, that's his name, and Shelly-Ann, and you give him blue balls, right? He made a song about blue balls and he's now here to talk about what exactly happened and how he got the blue balls without being in contact with Shelly-Ann. Now my brother, I could hear your side. What really going on and what happened?
Then I'm bar Zane, I'm see the cat is Zane.
Yeah.
I'm walk over to her Zane. And I say, yo, you look good and everything, Zane. And we exchange numbers, Zane. To we start text now, Zane.
Yeah.
So she said she not no man, so I say, alright, things look good for me now. So I go to Bobs and say, yo, send me a picture now.
Yeah.
Zane mean any picture, Zane. And she sent me a posty picture, dog.
Yeah.
Posty dog, the thing
Let me see.
Matter of fact, let me show it.
See the thing at dog.
Excuse me?
Me mama bumper
Excuse-
clot.
That's my picture.
Girl, yo, the girl sitting out of the phone. Jesus,
That's my
please.
picture.
Send that to my phone, yeah? Cheers.
That's my picture. That's my picture.
Bill. So right away, me know so we don't go fuck it.
What you call it?
What?
Go on, man.
Your mother it.
And then what, oh, you come to that now.
So we start dirty on the phone now, she tell me how she go take some back shot and she this and that and she climb up and all these things, my brother.
Zed.
So, but that's I'm going to box Bobs and start clean up my house, you know, start clean up everything. Run got the mattress to go buy a no mattress, no bed, everything. Shit, change up the whole thing, clean up the whole house. So I'm going to Bobs and call her back, Zed. Then 30 minutes pass, Zed. Hey girl, go
oh,
on. When I did talk and she said, I get ready and them thing and she so leave out and tell her, say, alright, boom, take a taxi, Zed. So why me think say she take a taxi now? Me I get ready in a dog. Me I dead home in a dog. I practice now. I practice with my pillar in a dog. Then after that, come back and say, she can't bother come. Dog got the worst thing.
Why you did that to him?
Lima tell about blue balls. I should give him no pussy.
Yo, my belly start, me dog, my boss and blow up on me. Me know the feeling, brother. Yo, I trade everything alright, my father. And that can make you know. Trade a long belly at me. And that me I tell you. Boss and blow, alright now, boss and blow, hey girl. Hey girl, I feel like. Hey girl, right now, man, even want to see her now. It no good. Me a journaling big up in the dog. Cause me I say, yo, boom, I got dip, I got sort it out, you know. Sure know. And so the girl tell me, now I come back. Oh, I got even doing the dog. I got a wicked dog. A wicked girl in the dog. Boss and blue, you know, about 3 days, I couldn't eat no food, you know. 3 days. My belly's at me, you know. I when I think about it, belly start me again, you know. Boss and blew up again, you know. I couldn't even piss down. I couldn't run. I got a wicked. I got a box in their face. That I make you know, yeah. I just fool girl take my offer. I got to go, I got to know what you do from you. Suck your mama. That I make you know. Well, this has been our next episode of Box TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And ladies, remember, when you promise the man the thing, go and go give the man the thing. Blue balls is not a good feeling. It don't feel right. It don't feel good. Just make sure when you send on or don't leave the man them on. As you can see, the brother is very upset. If you know somebody who has gotten blue balls from any kind of situation, share, tag, like, subscribe. Tell them, don't move them face. Box. Come down a little bit. And remember, it is not tameable. Once you get it, you get it. You just have to wait out the pain. Don't forget to check out Box TV on Facebook, YouTube, IG, Twitter, Vine, all these things. Remember, box. Purchase a Box t-shirt. Don't move your face. My God.